Have a nice day. Have a nice day, listeners. So this is the place where we are going to transfer. And this is very busy place. From northbound to southbound. There is accessible. And there we will put our signatures. That from north to south, everybody can see the signage. And the place here, just meters from one here down to the area. That area is the place where we. That's a big space here. If we have a big activity, we can utilize. We can use this area.
The photo, the place.
And here's the tree. This is the tree. From there to here.
Apil taas. Asa man ang kuan? Diri pas?
Yeah. So tiles. This is a good place.
Diri apil.
Okay. Tama.
Ito.
Okay, sige, final na, final. Final na tayo. So what we need right now here is for the renovation. We will do some renovation and preparation for worship service. Kailangan na to.